Hi, it's Logan. We're at Chicago Automation Fair 2025, and we're going to talk about our QuickStick flex systems.
So this is an example of our QuickStick system for magnetic conveyance on the factory floor. So we have three different product lines in the MagnaMotion family. We've got the MagnaMover Lite on the low end, which is in your sort of single-digit kilogram payload area. This QuickStick system is in sort of the up to the 100 kilogram payload area. And then we've got a QuickStick high thrust, which can go up to thousands of kilograms and can be used for things like transporting car bodies on an automotive plant floor. We can do speeds of up to 5 meters per second, and this magnetic conveyance technology really allows you to have much more flexibility in your system. We can do merge and divert multiple paths, and you can command and fire and forget these vehicles to stop at particular stations in your machine, and have software-defined push-button changeover to recipes and different applications that you have in your machine. This system is completely modular and really easy to get started. You don't need any external drives. All the drive electronics are integrated into the magnetic drive sticks that you have in the track. And so you can get started with that, and our node controller systems, which handle the traffic management at each junction of our system, as well as a single high-level controller that handles the entire traffic management for the system and interfaces with your Rockwell PLC for giving commands to each one of the movers and getting status back for the system.
So is there a physical limitation on the size and volume of the payload?
Typical system sizes for this can range all the way up to systems with up to 5,000 vehicles on a total track. And we have options for combining multiple tracks together to scale it up even further if you have a significantly larger system. But about 5,000 vehicles is the typical system size that we can get.